Spring roll wraps are what we are going to make today. I'm just going to share with you easy way you can make this, okay? And it is stress free. I will show you so many ways you can prepare this and you will feel very comfortable when making it. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes, and because of that, subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free and you are going to fall in love with it. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. So I have with me here my 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour as well. Now when using 3 cups, you just have to minus 1 cup of it. That will be the liquid we are going to add, okay? But before that, I added a pinch of salt. So we are using 3 cups of flour, and that means the water we'll be using will be 2 cups, okay? So if you use 5 cups of all-purpose flour, it means you are going to use 4 cups of water, okay? Just minus 1. And I told you earlier I added a pinch of salt. Mix everything and then you are good to go. There was sometimes someone asked if she can add eggs. That will not be necessary, okay? Just 3 ingredients and you are good to go. Ingredients that we all will get, okay? Now I am just going to make sure I get that smooth texture we are looking for before we proceed with the next process. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. I just don't want you to skip any of the steps, because if you skip any, you may lose a lot of information, or you may not get all the information. So just stay with me and then enjoy all the video. If you want short videos, kindly follow us on all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts, okay? So when you come to the YouTube page, you will see shorts, you will see videos, you will see live streams. Just click on the shorts and you will see all the shorts there. We share detailed recipes that are very short form, okay? Sometimes they are less than a minute or a minute duration. Now we are done mixing everything, and as you can see, we have that smooth texture just like puff puff, okay? We are just going to allow this to rest for about 5 minutes and I'll get back to you. You can decide to continue from here without allowing it to rest, but trust me, I am busy doing something else again, so I had to put this aside and then continue with that. I was preparing the filling, okay? Yeah, now after some few minutes, this is how it looks, perfect, smooth, and I am just going to start our wraps. So I had my frying pan on fire and the fire is very low, okay? That is not high, not very high, okay? You just have to paste it in the pan just like how you are seeing on the screen, and when it is ready, you can see that the sideways will start removing. You just have to remove it from there and then you continue. So we will proceed with that, or we will do another one for you to see. You can see, so perfect. I know most people complain that they cannot use their hand for this, okay? I'm going to share with you how you can make it again, even though you want this wrap, but you are not going to use your hand, okay? Should you don't want the paste, you can just make your the flour and the ingredients we did earlier, what we got the paste from, you can just make it liquid form and then fry it like pancake without oil, okay? But to be honest, I have tried that once and I did not like it. So if you try it and you like that, you can just stick to that. But I will highly recommend this method for you. It works perfectly, okay? So as you can see, it has removed so easy. Sometimes when you are making your wrap, the first one you may not get it right. If you come across that issue, it does not mean you are not doing the right thing. Okay, sometimes maybe the pan was very hot. Okay, because if it is very hot, when you are removing it, it does not remove well. But I will show you what you will do so that you don't waste it. Okay, so just stay with me and you will love the video. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. So kindly like the video, share to others. Let me see your comment in the comment section, and also tell your friend to subscribe to our channel and follow us on all social media platforms. Now, if you don't want to use your hand, you can just use your spoon. As you can see, it is working perfectly. But this is what you have to do. You have to be in a hurry. Okay, you have to do it fast so that it will not remove. Okay, and also make sure that the fire is not very high, because if it is very high, it will be removing whilst doing the pasting it in the pan. So make sure the fire is not very high, and then see, voila, and it is perfect without using your hand. If you don't want to use your hand to flip it, you just have to use this to flip it, just like how you are preparing your pancake or frying your egg. And this is so simple. I am very used to using my hand, and my hand my hands are very good when it comes to touching hot things. Okay, yeah, so we are going to repeat it again for you to see. Just paste it in like this by using the spoon instead of your hand if you don't want the hand. Okay, like I said, I am used to touching hot things, and when you are using the spoon, you have to speed up because it will be removing. As you can see, immediately the paste is dry. If you attempt again, it will remove. So be in a hurry, and then make sure the fire is not very high. Just look at that, perfect. Now when you are removing it and then some stick in the pan, just add a new paste to it and then remove it. It will remove. I did that, but I think it was in the short video. So when I bring the short video, please, if you get notification, do not forget to watch me. Now this is what we got. You can see it is soft and perfect outcome, and I just love it. I prefer this than frying it like the pancake. Okay, that is why when you complain that you can't use your hand because the thing will burn you, I decided to introduce to you by using the spoon, and trust me, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till now, and I think this will be very helpful to you, and I think you will come back and testify. So I prepared my spring roll with that, and it was so delicious. I'll bring you the recipe very soon. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.